Hey guys, Jerry here with Glock. There's been a lot of speculation recently on the blogs and the forums with the new onslaught of triggers coming off of Glocks. What's safe, what's unsafe, what's defeating the drop safety, what's actually safe to carry. So what I have here today is a gun with our trigger in it. I'm going to show you a quick and easy way, but before I do that, I'm going to show you how much pre-travel we have actually taken out. The weapon is clear. With our gun, we've only taken out about 2 millimeters of pre-travel, so we still have a fair amount of pre-travel in there. Unfortunately, you can't take too much pre-travel out of this gun. The pre-travel is built into the safety system for the drop safety. So compared to other triggers on the market, we still have a fair amount of pre-travel. Again, the gun is clear. The very quick and easy way to check this: take your gun, disassemble it after it's been cleared and safe. Take your trigger and push the trigger to full extension. You then want to take a tool and push down on your cruciform. Your cruciform should not move out of the drop safety ledge. Then release your trigger so that the trigger safety tab makes contact with the frame. And you can see that happening here. So release your trigger so that the trigger safety tab makes contact with your frame. Again, you want to push down on your cruciform. The cruciform should not drop out of that drop safety ledge. If after doing these two tests, your drop safety ledge, or the cruciform does not drop out of the drop safety ledge, your gun is in fact safe to carry. If it does, and we'll show you with some competitor triggers here, drop out of the drop safety ledge after you release it, your gun is not safe to carry. The secondary function of the safety tab is to prevent the cruciform from essentially jumping off the ledge. So what we've done here is we've taken a competitor's trigger, which I'm not going to name, and I'm going to show you the two tests again performed on their trigger. So take the gun, hold it at full extension, push down on your cruciform. It should not move, and this one does not at full extension. Release the trigger so that the trigger safety tab makes contact with the frame, and again push down on your cruciform. This one you can see drops right out of the safety. This gun is not safe to carry and it fails the drop safety test. Hey guys, Jerry Glock again. So this weapon is safe and cleared. We can see there's no magazine, nothing in the chamber. It does function. The trigger is cocked right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to slam this against the table very hard to kind of simulate a fall, and then I will actually drop the gun. We can see that the drop safety is in fact working correctly. Again, I haven't recocked the pistol. You can see that the trigger is in fact in the full position and does fire. Okay, we do have a clear pistol. There's nothing in it. The trigger is cocked in the cocked position. We're going to drop this from about 2 meters to simulate a very high fall. You can see the trigger is still cocked and the gun does fire, meaning the safety has not been disabled. We'll cock it again. We're going to drop this again. You can see the trigger is still cocked and the gun does fire. The gun has not been disabled. The trigger is cocked and the gun does fire. So you can see we've done this test over 100 times. The drop safety is in fact intact and it does work correctly. Thank you.